Jack stands in the dirt. Always seems so sketchy to me. Especially since I'm going to be up under this truck.
Yeah, look at this. This is funny. It has a helper leaf on this side. There's nothing on that side.
Really?
Yep.
That's so funny. Look on the other side. Probably had a nice little lean going when it was when it had wheels and tires with air in them.
That's funny.
That is funny. Anyway, we're getting around to taking this truck apart today, so we haven't responded to a lot of the requests of like people wanting parts off this thing because we didn't know what we were going to take off that was going to be usable, what was going to be dented and rusted and broken and whatever. Anyways, we're going to get all that stuff off today and kind of inventory it and see what we got, and we'll get back to y'all about parts that you want.
The exhaust is no good.
Ronnie says the exhaust is no good.
It looks like somebody shot it with a shotgun.
Whatever, that's that just makes it loud. It's totally aftermarket.
I'm exhausted. The bed kicked our butt. We got it off. It kept getting caught on this stupid bumper.
So stupid.
Stupid. Anyways, Bo's got the U-bolts undone. He's getting ready to pop the shocks off. And then
Alright.
then we got to do the drive shaft right there.
Drive shaft.
And
Axle should come off.
undo the hangers for the spring, or we could just fish it out, but I'd rather pull it out. It'd be easier.
Yeah, that's what I said.
We're lazy, so
Roll it out the back.
we'll undo 2 more bolts. But yeah, so it's coming along. This was the main project, to get this out and try and get it on that truck today. So yeah, it's going pretty good, I think. Oh my goodness.
And Levi's in the bed.
We constantly lose this camera. So I'm thinking the next one...
Wait a minute, do we constantly lose the camera, or do you constantly lose the camera?
We constantly lose the camera.
All for one, one for all, right?
By we, I mean me, myself, and I. Anyways, the next one, I'm going to have somebody cut me some vinyl like to go around it to make it like neon green.
Get it a hunter vest. A hunter vest.
Anyways, the axle's almost out. Bo's knocking out the U brackets that hold the springs on. We have the weight of the axle holding it.
It's the,
which makes
the
it a
little
pain in the butt.
sleeve isn't coming off.
Oh.
There it goes.
Hello. Bam.
Bam. Bam.
Alright. There it is. There it is. Oh shit, we gotta do the e-brake.
The e-brake lines?
I forgot about
We were
this.
using those up until like the last minute.
I forgot about them.
Alright, okay.
I don't know how to get them off. We'll have to take the drum off and take them apart.
Alright, we gotta swap the differential into this, my welded diff, and then put this in my truck.
Yeah.
And then then I'm leaving, and I'm leaving everything to you.
Alright.
Alright. These things disconnect from the inside of the drum?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that.
Let's do that. Use your hammer, smack the shit out of it. Diff's out. I got it draining.
Diff's out.
So we're gonna...
that fluid looks good.
Yeah.
Look at that.
It was full. Everything looked good. So,
Holy
yeah.
moly.
We gotta
Crazy.
pull the pumpkin. So we gotta pull the axles out. Pull the axles out, pull the pumpkin out. Bo's working on getting his out. This one has a little more that we gotta do, and we gotta be a little more cautious. We gotta take the sway bar off. And what was it? What was I gonna tell you guys that we had to do? Oh, the parking brake. So we cut it off on here, and we're not gonna hook it up right now, because Bo doesn't really need it. We have a B-Banny's kit coming for his truck, so we're not gonna mess with that. Once the kit gets here, then we'll do all this right. We'll probably replace the drums or the shoes and get all that squared away. But yeah, coming
On
along.
the road for now.
Yeah, Bo just wants to drive it.
Understandable.
Yep. Relatable. I mean, I bought a whole nother truck, so. But yep, that's where we're at. Axle's out. This one's about to come out. So, Levi, my dad, and I went to the dump. While we were gone, Bo's been slaving away. He's trying to take out his leaf springs. His bushings are toast. We got some energy bushings right here. So yeah, we'll have that link down in the description below for Amazon. You guys can pick that up. Whenever you guys buy something that we link to Amazon, it helps us out a little bit. We get a little bit of a kickback. So we appreciate that. Thank you guys that have done that. As Bo was working on this, he had a hard time with the brake cable. So,
Big brake cable.
yeah, this one right here. It goes in, and you like grab it with a pair of pliers, and you twist it, and then it comes out. It's kind of simple, but you really need somebody to tell you how to do it. So, he got it done. As you can see, his bushings are toasted. I don't know if you can see it. Well, there they are. Yeah, the back's just as bad. So we're gonna replace those. We gotta burn these out, or however we get them out. We don't have a press, so probably burn them out or use a drill and drill them out.
Yeah, we'll probably just burn them out.
But yeah, we're pretty good. This is basically where we're stopping today. We're gonna drop the leaf springs and we're gonna hold it there. We decided it was apex o'clock. So that's what we're doing. This axle's over here. It's hanging up, draining out. So everything will drain out of it. And what we're going to do is we've got to undo the axles, slide them out, both sides. Then we're going to undo the actual differential and pull the nose out. We'll get Bo's out, do the same thing, and then we'll swap noses over. And then we'll put that one back together and stick it back in there. So the one thing we did learn, and I don't remember if I did this on my truck, I don't feel like I did, but whenever you go to weld your diff, take your diff apart, whatever, make sure you RTV this back together. Put some RTV in there. Bo's was leaking like a son of a gun. And after the bearing blew up, it was leaking like a son of a bitch. So, it was pretty good. Hi, Bo.
So we're calling it for the day. I'm worn out.
Some work, huh?
Yeah, it
These
is.
damn hard
And
bodies.
it's all like old suspension work, like old bolts and old nuts and stuff like that. I'm old, so I have old nuts. They're hard to work on.
And an
They're
old
difficult
bolt.
to work on. It's a lot of WD-40 and, you know, half-inch giant ratchets, that sort of thing.
He didn't get the big one, so I mean that's a good sign.
The big one?
Yeah,
Oh, the long one?
yeah. You still have the little one.
Your 2-foot freaking ratchet.
It's 3 foot.
Anyway, I'm gonna get these 2 leaves down and we're done. So we'll see y'all later.
Bye, guys.